This will be a speed test between the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now this is a US unlocked variant, so it comes with a Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM versus the iPhone 8 Plus with the A11 bionic chip. As you can see, glass back and all. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Messaging. The camera on both. There you go. Calculator. Not too much of a difference so far. Very negligible difference. Play Store and App Store respectively. Give this one to the S9 Plus. Go ahead and search for Lyft on both. Leave it right there. eBay on both phones. Give this to the S9 Plus. Click on this Dell laptop. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. S9 Plus. The speed test app. Make sure we're on the same server. Start with the iPhone 8 Plus first. Very similar scores on both devices. We have the Samsung Internet Browser and Safari respectively. Go. Okay, go ahead and search for Amazon. Let's go. And looking at the progress bar, looks like the S9 Plus finished first. Go ahead and scroll through this to give you an idea of the scrolling experience between the two. I'd have to say that the S9 Plus is a lot faster here. Go to Amazon full site. Go. Go ahead and pinch to zoom, give you an idea. Do the same thing here on the S9 Plus. Let's click on this bike on both and leave it on that page. Super Mario Run. 9 Plus is loading. And the S9 Plus, faster on this one. Tap to begin on both, close it. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Tokyo, loading on the S9 Plus, and the iPhone 8 Plus with a comeback. Tap to play on both and leave it right there. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands, both are loading right now. Oh, hella close. Which one's faster here? Let's find out right now. And S9 Plus faster by a smidgen. Play on both, stop the game. Angry Birds 2. Starting up, logging in on the 9 Plus. And the 9 Plus is starting, followed by the 8 Plus. And the Galaxy S9 Plus, faster on this one. Go ahead and close it out. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And the S9 Plus is out in front. And I think the S9 Plus will win. Yup, S9 Plus takes this game. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus. And the S9 Plus, faster on this game. Go ahead and close it out and close out the iPhone. Twitter on both phones. And give this to the S9 Plus. Snapchat. S9 Plus again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything is in the background as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, ready to go as well. Angry Birds 2, ready to go also. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Ready to go. Mario Run. Still in RAM. Very nice. The internet browsers. Right where we left it off. Very nice. The speed test app. Ready for another speed test. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Ready to go. eBay app on both. Right where we left it off. Are both phones gonna run the table here? The app stores respectively. Both still on the Lift app. Very nice. The clock on both. There you go. The calculator. Nice. Camera. There you go. Messaging app. Ooh, a little bit of a lag on the iPhone, maybe? And the phone app. There you go. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this classic matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone 8 Plus or the iPhone 10? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking the S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, S8, and S8 Plus? Those phones coming with alien technology such as the infinity display, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.